Hello Royal Babes, what's good, what's cracking? It's your girl, Royal Lily, and I is back with another video. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are doing good, hope you had an amazing day or having an amazing. So y'all, today I have an unboxing video. Not much, just a few stuff that I want to show you guys that I have. Don't forget to click the link in the bio to shop. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. And don't forget to follow my Twitter so we can be in contact. And yeah, let's stay in contact, guys. So wait, before we get into this video, go subscribe to Girl Gang. This is our new and upcoming channel. My friends and I made a YouTube whenever we go on trips or whenever we have game nights, whenever we hang out and stuff like that. We're gonna be vlogging it. So yes, we have amazing stuff coming soon. So subscribe to our channel, show us some love. Our first video is up and it's hilarious. We took a road trip for Kim's birthday, so yeah. Go subscribe. First thing I wanted to show you guys, my hands look so white, ew. Anyways, first thing I want to show you guys is, what should I show you guys first? I'm gonna show y'all that last. My business card. And I get all my business cards from Vistaprint. There's also a video of me making my business cards. I'm going to link that in the description box below, so go check it out. Usually these are my thank you cards, sorry. Usually I would make thank you cards and business cards, but I just decided to go with thank you cards only because, like, why not? It seemed like a waste to me, but if you want to do both, it's fine. I just decided to go with one. My business cards, I used to use Vistaprint template. My thank you cards, I made them myself. If I find a picture of my previous thank you cards that I made, I will insert it. So yeah, I make my thank you cards from scratch, FYI. So let me kind of get in there. So I decided to switch it up a bit. I have not seen how it looks. This is my first time, so here it goes. So let me show you. I'm going to show you guys before I watch it, okay? This is so cute. Aww. This is my creation, y'all. Let's get it here. So this is my new thank you cards. I sell jewelry, I sell lip gloss, I sell lashes, so I decided to put all of them on the front. The one before I had my customers, this one I decided to put my products on there. It says thank you. At the back, this is how the back looks. Okay, and a sweet little message. This is really pretty. I'm in love. I can't believe I did this. I'm so proud of myself. One thing my business has taught me is that I'm super creative. Like, you could be there and say, oh, you're not creative, but then, because I used to think I'm not, and then I'll start a business, and then all 1 o'clock in the morning, ideas will start flowing. Almost all my business ideas come to me at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm up, when I have insomnia, when I cannot sleep. So yeah, this is my business card. On to the next. My thank you card, sorry. Post office damaged my box, so they put it in a plastic bag. Oh God. plastic bag and said we care. Their postal customers sincerely we get the damage to your mail during handling by the postal service. Hope this incident is not inconvenient. We realize that your mail is important to you and that you have every right to expect it to be delivered in good condition. Although every effort is made to prevent damage to the mail, occasionally it's full of cover because of the great volume handled by and the rapid processing methods which must be employed to ensure the most expedient distribution this possible. We hope you understand. We assure you that we are constantly striving to improve and process methods in order even if we are blah blah blah. Ciao, goodbye. Good thing this was not unbreakable or anything like that, because the post office are getting so ridiculous and the workers are most of them are so rude, and sometimes people try to be understanding because when it's like you guys wake up on a regular and choose violence. Like we try. Look at my box. Look at this. Anyways, the post office is literally in a mess. Anyways, I wanted to check. Oh, I got 100. Thank you, guys. This is something I wanted to try. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's business cards, but with a QR code. So these I'm gonna hand them out, put them in different places so that I could reach more customers, a bigger audience and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited. I made it. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys again. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Scan the code with your camera for a surprise. Scan me. Y'all see that? So QR codes are kind of the in thing now. So all they have to do is scan here. My Instagram will pop up. And when they scan the back, I think my YouTube will pop up. So yeah. This is really brilliant. I made these on Vistaprint. They have like templates and stuff like that just for QR codes. So you can go on there and check it out. If you would like me to show you how to do it, please let me know in the description box below. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this. I'm gonna put it back in the box because I'm gonna make a TikTok. So yeah, okay, we'll do that. Next, I forgot I ordered these. And I did not expect them to come now because China had their Lunar New Year, plus they had their holiday. So I was shocked. I thought my vendor was gonna put everything in one, but she ended up sending it separate, which is fine. So yeah, the bag is open, but I will see how they look. So now we are going to see how oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I forgot how much of these I got. So as you guys know, oh God, these are so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so I sell jewelry, of course, you know that. So one of them is St. Vincent and the Grenadines, right? Where I'm from. Woo-woo. So we have St. Vincent, which is the main island. There's also like a chain of small islands. There's a lot of them, but kind of like the main ones, I decided to do the ones where people live on. And yeah, so it's like the main island along with the other small islands. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a video so you guys could see. It is like so beautiful. I think I did like anklets and bracelets. So these are the anklets. And I think, yeah, these should be the bracelets. I'm gonna insert a clip so you guys can see how pretty this is. And which is so crazy, I hadn't thought about this, and I think I should have, but it didn't click at the time. So somebody gave me the idea. I think it's Tikisha, Nikki. I forget her name. But anyways, I got the idea from her, so she's definitely getting one for free. And then one day, one of my customers bought something for me, and she also suggested it. I was like, yo, you know, it's coming soon. Somebody had told me and stuff like that. So she was like, whenever you get them, let me know. So I'm gonna have to hit her up to let her know. There, yeah. Anyways, fakes. I'm so feeling these bites. Yeah. One more thing we have. I've been seeing these all over social media, and I was like, these are so cute. Like, these are the bomb. Okay. So I decided to get some. I decided I'm going to. Oops. I hope I don't. These are the teddy slippers. Where's the opener? I don't want to open it because it's somebody's. I opened two already because I wanted to see. My friend don't fish do she own thing. Oh, that was me. These are the teddy slippers. I have one in black, so I'm gonna go for it and come back. So yeah, I have the black. I ordered the black for me. This is for a customer. Well, all of them are. I have pink. I have the brown. I also have the multicolored ones. I'm going to add them on my site in case you want to shop. They are a one size fit all. So yeah, listen, these are so comfy, like a teddy bear. These are so comfy, and listen, they worth the money, okay? It's worth it. Look at this. I don't know if y'all could say. But anyways, yes, it's legit worth it. So if you think of getting it, you should. I'll put the link in the description box below. I'm going to be adding a few to my site, so check me out. Check me out. I'm gonna have to message my customers and let them know they're here so they can pick up and whatnot. Like, I'm in love with these. I'm in love with everything I sell. And though sometimes I want to give up, I just gotta remind myself why I started doing it. And I see why most business people, well, I learned this from Milano de Rouge. I binge watch all her YouTube video, and one of the main things she said is that always have a why. If you don't have a why, you'll give up. Always have a why, and I figured what my why is. And when days when I feel like I cannot go, or sales are not going how I want, or things are not going how I want, I remember my why, and my why pushes me to keep going. So yes, know what is your why, and that will push you to keep going. That is all I have for now. I should be getting some more stuff soon. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comments so I could keep them coming. Also, let me know what other videos you would like to see from me, and I'll get on it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as you guys know, I love and appreciate y'all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I said that, but yes. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.